Hey everyone, I wanted to show you a quick method on saving your phone if you suspect it has water damage and will not power on, or you get an error message showing that you have water damage. I was hot tubbing with some friends the other day and left my phone out overnight, and it got soaked with rain and everything for about 8 hours. So when I go to plug it in, I get a warning saying water's been detected in the phone and do not power it on. So this method is cheap, effective, and will most likely resolve the issue. So here we go. So you just want to pick up some rice. I'm using some Indian rice, but white or brown rice will work. And then take a Pyrex bowl and fill it all the way up, mostly all the way up, with rice. If your phone has a case, you're going to want to remove the case to allow the moisture to escape. And then just sandwich it inside the rice, making sure it's fully submerged, like so. Take your lid, make sure it is 100% sealed, and you're just going to want to let this sit in the rice overnight. I'd actually allow at least 24 hours. I know going 24 hours without a phone sounds like a nightmare a little bit, but you really don't want to power on the phone if there's moisture inside the phone, as this can really damage your phone permanently. So I would give it a full 24 hours in the container before you try to power it on. So the next scene will be in the morning, or actually, 24 hours from the time I just put it in here, and we'll see if my phone powers on. All right, everyone. Well, it's been 24 hours. My phone's been sitting in the rice. I just wanted to mention, in the previous scenes, I said that you have to use a Pyrex container, but it's pretty much any glass container that you have a sealed lid for you can use. But I have used this rice method a couple times before. One time my phone went through a washing machine with my clothes, a full hour, and I thought my phone was done for, but I placed it in the rice, and it worked, because the rice does a great job of wicking away the moisture from your phone. So I'm going to plug it in here and see if we get the results we had yesterday. I plugged it in, as you remember, it showed a little water damage indication, and my phone just would not charge and turn on. So fingers crossed that it works. Let me give it a sec. Hoping for the best, because I need my lifeline here. It's been 24 hours without my baby. Okay, the phone had a completely dead battery, so I had to leave it on here for about 15-20 minutes. We're going to give it a shot here to power it on. Fingers crossed. So far, so good. When I had the water damage before, sometimes it would boot, but not past this screen. I think it just didn't have enough power. But it's looking like it's working. So yeah, if you guys have experienced any water damage on your cell phone, again, I would try to use like a toothpick, see if there's any lint in there, anything that could be messing with your charge port, and if that doesn't help, stick it in some rice. Again, this has remedied my phone several times when I've made mistakes and had some unexpected water damage. So I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you did, please give it a like and comment below. I'd love to know if this hack worked for you as well. Take care. Thanks. Bye.